In the heart of a moonlit meadow, amidst a shimmering sea of fireflies, flickered a tiny spark named Flick. Unlike his siblings, whose lights blazed like miniature suns, Flick's glow was a timid ember, barely noticeable against the vibrant back. While his brothers and sisters painted the night sky with bold strokes, Flick felt his light was too weak, too insignificant to make a difference. His nights were filled with longing. He yearned to illuminate the meadow, to bring his own touch of magic to the starry canvas. But self-doubt gnawed at him like a hungry caterpillar. "Look at me," he'd sigh, watching his siblings light up entire trees with their brilliance. "My light won't even reach that daisy over there." One night, as Flick sulked beneath a drooping sunflower, his woes reached the wise ears of Hooty, the old owl. Hooty, perched on a nearby branch, listened patiently to Flick's woes. When the little firefly finished, Hooty hooted softly, his voice resonating with ancient wisdom. "Little Flick," he said, his eyes twinkling like distant stars. "Remember, even the smallest stars shine the brightest in the darkest corners of the sky. What you lack in size, you can make up for in other ways." Flick's tiny head tilted in confusion. "But how?" he squeaked. Hooty chuckled, a sound like wind chimes in the night. "Don't try to mimic your siblings, Flick. Find your own way to shine. Let your light guide you, show you the beauty others might miss." Flick pondered Hooty's words. He realized he had been looking at the wrong stars, comparing himself to others, instead of embracing his own unique glow. With newfound determination, he took flight, his tiny light weaving through the meadow like a curious firefly dance. He didn't try to compete with the grand displays of his siblings. Instead, he illuminated the small wonders, the shimmering dewdrops clinging to spiderwebs, the delicate veins on a sleeping butterfly's wing, the soft glow of a snail's shell. His light, gentle and warm, revealed a hidden world of beauty unseen by others. Slowly, creatures drawn to the dark, fireflies who preferred the shadows, crickets chirping under the moon, gathered around Flick's warm glow. They basked in its comfort, sharing stories and laughter in the gentle light. Flick realized Hooty was right. Even the smallest light could make a big difference, bringing joy and wonder to those who appreciated it. From that night on, Flick no longer dreamt of being the brightest. He embraced his unique glow, shining his light on the hidden corners of the meadow, revealing the beauty in the small and quiet things. And while his light may not have lit up the entire sky, it filled the hearts of those who saw it with a warmth that rivaled even the sun. So remember, little ones, just like Flick, you too have a unique light to share with the world. Don't compare yourself to others, for even the smallest spark can ignite something beautiful. Shine your light with pride, explore the shadows and corners, and you might just discover a world waiting to be illuminated by your own special glow.